In this video, I will be showing you how to install Adobe Express on Windows. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it. In the Microsoft Store, we'll be having the search apps. Just search for Adobe Express. We'll be having this Adobe Express app. Select it. And this is from the official Adobe company. Okay, we can simply click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient. Once it is done, just click on open. After that, it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in or create an account here. After you sign in, you will be getting an interface like this, and you can start using Adobe Express. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.